Hey everybody, Monty Reed here with a last-minute update for January 31st, 2018. There's a price increase tomorrow, so if you get your order in today and ships today, then you will save. The starter kits for consultants, the prices are going up tomorrow because there's some added bonuses. As a consultant, when you sign up tomorrow, you will receive text messages from the company with training tips, text to your phone, which is going to be an awesome deal. But if you don't care about text messages, I can show you when you log in to the administrative website how to get access to all of those text messages now. You don't have to wait. But so that will start tomorrow, February 1st. So if you're ready to get started and you want to save a little money, the Social Seller Kit today is only $129. Tomorrow it'll be $135. So it's going to be $6 more. That's how much they're charging for the text service. It actually costs more, but the company's subsidizing it. And the Business Builder Kit tomorrow, February 1st, for 2018, will be $265, and that's currently $259. Again, a $6 change. And the Business Builder Plus Kit tomorrow will be $499. So if you order today, you're going to save $6 on the Social Seller, the Business Kit, or a Business Builder Kit, or the Business Builder Plus. Now, what's the difference? Social Seller gets you just basically some simple plate, a little bit of information about the company and the products. So you can just get started, and you can get your deliveries, and you can start building the business. If money is a challenge and you still want to get started now, go ahead and get that Social Seller Kit. Again, today it's $129. Tomorrow and the rest of the year it'll be $135. And the text messages for $6, it's worth it. And if you want to save $6 and you don't care about the text messages, or you don't want them, you know you're going to cancel them anyway, then go ahead and order your Social Seller Kit today. You just go to freegroceryclub.com. And under tastings, click Join My Team, and just follow through. You'll need your, you can do your checking account information later, but you will need a Social Security number because you're going to do a 1099 at the end of the year. And if you want to, I am going to show you how to make money. We average $50 an hour part-time, and that's if you actually work the business. It's, you know, imagine you had a job and they told you this is what you're going to do during those 8 hours that you work the job, and you did something else. Say you were on your phone texting instead of helping customers. You're not going to get paid. It's the same thing with a Thrive Life business. When you become a consultant, if you don't do the business, you're not going to get paid. The two things you get paid for is setting up new grocery subscriptions and recruiting consultants. And I'm going to do a video next week. I've scheduled to do a table at an event, and it starts at 5 a.m. and it's over at 10 p.m. So I'm going to work the table the whole time. I'll take breaks for the bathroom, and I'll use my jar meals to eat. But I'm going to be at a public location. I have a table secured, and I'm going to be working from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. You don't have to do that. You know, if you have a big team or you just don't want to work that much, you can work just 2-hour shifts. You know, people on my team, you'd be welcome to come join and do those events with me. And we very often will share those events locally here in the Northwest. But I'm going to be doing those local events where you could literally 7 days a week have a table somewhere working from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. or, you know, 8 hours a day or 5 hours a day, 2 hours a day. You can do this as a part-time job. But last month I tracked the results, and the total time on the telephone, text messages, face-to-face, and travel time to appointments, we average about $50 an hour. Now, there's some people who've been doing it longer. They can earn more. The average consultant in their first year who's actually working the business, Thrive did a survey and found that the average consultant earns $23 an hour. Our program, I can show you how to make $50 an hour if you want to do it. So Social Seller Kit is a good way to get started. Now the Business Builder is much better, and I'll attach a link to the contents of the kits. It's thrivelife.com/new kits, and it'll show you everything in the kits. And the kits include, the Business Builder includes a bunch of simple plates and some snackies, and that gets you started. The Business Builder Plus has the same thing as the Business Builder Kit. The difference is it includes a Harvest 72 shelf system, because the company started out originally, it was called Shelf Reliance, and we started with a shelving system. Costco discovered us, and we went from $0 to $1 million, and the first couple of years our biggest challenge was keeping up with Costco, and that's why Thrive foods are still available through Costco. Now the Snackies and the Simple Plates are not available through Costco, so we still have that exclusive deal. And it's really nice to have that credibility of Costco, because Costco only deals with quality companies. And so the Harvest, if you don't need that, just get the Business Builder kit. And but if you want it, Business Builder Plus, those shelves are $400 as a consultant. You can get one for $299, and it's only $499 for the Business Builder Plus. So you're actually saving over $65 by ordering that kit. Now the Simple Plate prices are going up tomorrow, so if you start your delivery today, you can call the company, you can go in, you can log, you can click ship now. If you start your deliveries today, you'll be paying the lower price. The 2-person Simple Plates are going to be, right now they're $49.99, but starting tomorrow they're going to be $55. So you can save $6, $5 by starting your shipment today. And the 4-person meals are going to be $92.28 per for 3 meals, $92.28. That's $30.76 per meal for the 4-person, and $18.58 per person for the 2-person meal. Now, $18.58 is the cost where HelloFresh is $20. And so I recently ordered HelloFresh, and a month supply of HelloFresh is $60 a week for 3 meals. It's $20 per meal. So HelloFresh, you sign up, and it's $240 a month, where the Thrive is less. It's not $20. It's $18.58 per meal. So it's quite a bit of savings. And again, if you want to save a couple bucks, order your Simple Plate shipments to start today, January 31st. So that's a simple update. All of this will change tomorrow, February 1st. The prices are going up, and just to make a note, prices are going up on the starter kits and the Simple Plate pricing. Starter kit Social Seller February 1st will be $135. The Business Builder kit will be $265. The Business Builder Plus will be $499. Simple Plate starting February 1st, 2018, the 2-person will be $18.58 per meal, and that's $55.74 for 3 meals of the 2-person. And the Simple Plate 4-person will be $30.76 per meal, or $92.28 for 3 meals. This is Monty Reed for Thrive Life, and a price update for February 1st, 2018. Have a great day.